Hi, I'm Vrinda.
Hi, and I'm Rishi.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this pitch. We studied as architects, and the one thing we learned early on was how much time gets wasted on making visuals. This tool solves that. So, every building idea starts with a sketch, a quick drawing that shows what could be built. But turning that sketch into something a client can believe is slow and expensive. Firms spend weeks making 3D visuals, switching tools, and paying outsiders. Our tool makes this instant, from sketch to client ready images in minutes. So, this tool it creates interactive and professional outputs. The images are photoreal and editable in real time. It's linked to real material catalogs, and designers can also save presets, finishes, and lighting. So every project carries the firm's style. Instead of juggling tools, they work in one adaptive workflow. Um, Today, making pictures or buildings is expensive and slow, but it is essential. You have to show the client what they want to build. There are over 3 million architects, 10 million interior designers, and millions of real estate professionals worldwide who could potentially use this. Legacy visualization tools cannot keep up. This tool it delivers speed and precision at scale. So we hear a lot about AI and how we can create whatever we want in images and using text, but most AI tools they make random images. This tool does something harder. It truly understands design, the process of design. So we have finishes for wood and textures for curtains and walls. So in our tool, walnut looks like walnut every time. Light behaves differently in Miami than in Oslo. It respects geometry, scale, and context. That's why it's just not simply AI art. It's a real workflow solution. But how do we stand out? Why is it different? So, our tool essentially is structured AI. We are not doing any guesswork. Materials, lightings, and rules make the results reliable. Firms build reusable libraries of finishes and styles, turning past work into assets. And unlike legacy tools that are slow or generic AI, maybe, that is sloppy, our tool combines speed and control. Our AI system links to real world catalogs, so outputs are always accurate. Site climate will match the image climate, and the vegetation will be local. Every project enriches the library and teaches the system the firm's design DNA. Data is structured. CAD, BIM, and sketches become inputs, not flat images. Handing over to Rishi now for the business model.
We start simple. Firms pay by subscription, monthly, yearly, priced per seat. AI credit scales with usage. Freelancers pay $30 to $50 a month, larger firms paying 150 to 250 per seat. Enterprise packages will include integrations with Autodesk and Rhino. It's a plug and play solution. Growth comes as more users and firms adopt it. But long term, we move to a perpetual license. Firms want ownership and data protection. Subscriptions feel risky and predatory. Perpetual licenses give stability and control. This shifts aligns with a market trend of self-hosting and data ownership. Our tool grows with yearly upgrades and optional add-ons.
Moving on. So, think of YouTube. It started with 480p, then 720p, and today it's 4K everywhere. I'm talking about the resolution. Visualization is following the same path. Today, cloud handles AI, but as hardware improves, AI will run locally on your systems. No one will use the cloud. Everyone wants to keep their data to themselves. Cloud only will feel costly and slow. Our tool is built for this future shift.
Our revenue grows as our tool evolves. Cloud AI credits provide recurring income, perpetual licenses, and yearly upgrades build trust. Add-ons like premium material packs, skylines expand revenue. Over time, our tool becomes a core platform in the workflow, not just a tool. The market is split. Legacy tools are accurate but slow, generic AI is fast but unreliable. Many designers are stuck on outdated DIY tools because licenses are expensive. Our tool is the only solution that is both fast, precise, and also cheap, built for professional workflows.
We are applying for this $5,000 grant to build a real prototype. So, all in all, an $1,800 goes to the model credits and GPU compute. Then the $1,500 go to core prototype development and $800 to material libraries. We would need around $600 for user testing and $300 for hosting. This grant, it creates a working and testable pipeline end to end. So we're gonna input our data, we will clean our workflows, test the processes, and then generate and continuously go on and test it. So this is us, and I am a spatial data scientist, but I did my undergrad in architecture and I have worked throughout different companies and closely seen the AEC processes. And Rishi is a student here, and
I'm a student here at Rinker School of Construction Management, and I have been in the industry, and I know the pain of long renders. So yeah, in the 10 years, no architect will render the old way. Just as Canva replaced Photoshop for everyday tool, our tool will replace legacy rendering. We are building the fastest way to turn building ideas into visuals. This is what you see on your screen is the first version of our tool. The interface is simple. You start a new project, upload a sketch, floor plan, and select a preset style. Here you can see different presets. Modern, postmodern, sustainable, brutalist, new, futurist, even parametric. Each preset is linked to a real material set, design rules, and not just random AI prompts. These can also be further tweaked to match for a project, let's say a project character or a firm's design language.
So the key is speed plus control. Designers can try multiple styles in a single meeting and save their own firm's presets and reuse them across projects. This prototype shows the core promise from sketch to accurate visualization in just a few clicks. We're still building it, but we would really like the opportunity to build on it more. Thank you so much for watching this pitch. And
Thank you all.